Hey YouTube, got an old Columbian vise here. It's a pretty big one. It's got the soft jaws on it. It doesn't have a number here. I have cleaned this off and I don't see a number on here. Columbian Vise and Manufacturing Company, Cleveland, Ohio, USA. And it's got the normal looking thing on this end, but this end here, it's got I don't know if that's original or not. And what else is interesting about this, I noticed, is that it's got gears in there. So when you turn this, it's not relying on friction. And I also noticed these soft jaws have been on this vise a long time because the regular jaws are hardly even used. Now this thing will open up to 8¼ inches and still be able to, it's still not wobbling or anything. I mean a little bit, but it's certainly still usable at 8¼ inches out. You can go 8½, but it's kind of wobbly, when it extends out that far. But man, the teeth on this. Let me get this out. There we go. Teeth on this thing are really nice. I don't see any breaks or cracks or nothing here. This thing's bent a little bit here. But I think I'll take this apart and look at it. I don't see the number on it. So I don't know what that's all about. We'll continue this. I don't know how old this thing is. It looks pretty old. Let's see if we can get this thing apart. First, I think I'll it looks like a half turn is an 1/8 inch. 1/2 turn is an 1/8 inch. So there's 8 and an 1/8. My arm might be in the line here. 1/8 and an 1/8. I'll go 1/2 turn. See what that goes. Yep, 8¼ So I guess that tells me that worm screw is still not very worn at all. Anyway, I'll try to hold this. Look at this. There's a little play, just a little bit, but not much. So let's go another 1/8 inch. There's 8 3/8. Actually, that's even less wear. Oh no, it's still moving around a little bit, but I still can't pull it out. So that's 8 3/8, and actually that's still usable. Let's go another 1/8. Let's go another 1/2 turn. Trying to hold that down. I think it's still not moving around very much. It's moving about, it's moving about a 1/16 of an inch, about an 1/8 of an inch, side to side. At 8 3/8. Let's go another 8. Yeah, there you go. We can pull it out now. So here we go. Yeah, there's a number. 604-2. There's those gears. I wonder if that 2 means those gears. Anyway, let's see this one gear. Yeah, it looks like this. That gear, it looks like it's only been used in that one area. I don't see any cracks on it yet. Let's see if we can get this. Let that out. Suppose we'll turn it. Oh, there we go. I've never seen one with those gears like that. I don't know if that's good or bad, I guess. Must not be too good. They changed it and they don't use that anymore. There's a chip right there, but I don't think it's cracked or anything. Let's see if we can get that off. Maybe it'll come off with no air. Let's see. There we go. Damn, that's how that works, huh? Well, that's strange. Oh, I see. Okay, this goes there. I'll be done. Look at that. Well, I'll tell you, that took some engineering. No wonder they don't do it this way anymore. But I'll tell you what, you ain't gonna move that. I guess you could break that somehow. Really whacking on it. But heck, that thing looks pretty good. Yeah. I don't see any breaks, cracks, or nothing. I'll be done. Well, it works so good, I hate to go any further with tearing into this thing. And some guys clean them up, paint them, and fix them up and look nice and all that. Then other guys say you shouldn't clean them up. Leave the patina. So, I don't know. This thing, it's dirty, but I think I'm going to leave it be and just use it. I've seen ones where they don't have the swivel. You know, they just got the 3 holes there. It goes to the bench. You don't have that. But I've found that these swivels always come in handy to have those. So anyway, that's the Columbian vise. These soft jaws, man. Even they don't look like they've been used a lot. I don't know if they came with the vise new or not. I have no way of knowing. But anyway, that's the Columbian vise. Anybody got any information on this thing? I sure would appreciate a comment. Maybe how old it is, or I looked on eBay for a 604-2. I mean, I will look on eBay for 604-2 and see what I come up with. Some of them have this over here, and then I guess it all depends on the year. But man, I have looked and looked for a number. I can't find one myself. Well, thanks for watching. See you later.